Hej Girly Pops. Velkommen til Christiansborg, her hvor det mest Signa Pops findes. Brad sommer er jo over, så nu er det tid til Healing Girl. Error. Cause the fuck, what was that? Girl dinner. Dansk Folkeparti hits different. Slay Queen. It's giving ikke. Dansk Folkeparti understood the assignment. Hun har i hvert fald no risk. Bowling. It's giving main character energy. En gang til. Brydelsen 8 for left, no crumbs. For real. Sus. Lit. Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. Grundloven er fra 1849. No cap. Slay. Skibbity. Toilet. Who that? Jappen herinde hits different. Det booster dine hour points. Iconic. It's living rent-free. OMG. Majestic.